If we look at line 34, we'll find an interesting set of code here. Take a look at this line. This line deals with two parameters, the name and file parameter. These parameters are used to determine which modules should be included during the runtime of PHP Nuke. The exact functionality of this line is to see if the input string contains any occurrences of ... This is an attacker's equivalent of trying to break from the web root and perform a directory traversal attack. The check is done by calling the stripOS_clone function, which is PHP Nuke's version of stripOS. Let's take a quick look at what the PHP stripOS function does. So stripOS in PHP finds the position of the first occurrence of a case-insensitive string. Let's go back to our code. Going into a bit more detail, let's look at the code and the resulting outcome. The stripOS_clone function searches for ... occurrences in the file parameter. If the returned value of this is bigger than 0, then the check fails and the script exits with the error "You are so cool." The same applies for this parameter. So this is their attempt to prevent directory traversal attacks by using the stripOS_clone function to check whether ... is present in our variables. So let's try to understand the root of the problem. Remember that stripOS returns the position of the first occurrence of a case-insensitive string. So where exactly is the bug here? Let's break this down into a smaller piece of code and play around with the stripOS function.